Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 8 stocks reporting earnings next week. When companies report on their earnings, they go over their last quarter's performance in terms of their earnings, and they provide future guidance on how they will perform the following quarter. So first stock is Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. So Alibaba is a online e-commerce company similar to eBay, and they provide cloud computing similar to AWS. Past year, up 18.93%, doing very well during these times. Past 5 years, up 135%. Market cap is 546 billion. And in terms of analyst ratings, 57 analysts give it a buy rating. Next is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, also in the retail space. Past year, up 25%. Past 5 years, up 60%. Market cap 356 billion with a dividend yield of 1.75. Analyst ratings, 73% give it a buy, 21% give it a hold, 6% give it a sell. Next is Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. So Nvidia produces GPUs, graphic processing units, as well as data centers. Past year, up 114%. Past 5 years, up 1,552%. Market cap of $208 billion. Dividend yield of 0.2. Now, analyst rating, 74% give it a buy rating, 18% give it a hold, 8% give it a sell. Next is Home Depot in the home improvement space, ticker symbol HD. Past year, up 25.75%. Past 5 years, up 113%. As you can see, it dipped significantly, but it recovered really quickly. I feel like during these times, since people are home, they have the time to do home improvement projects as well as work on different areas on their home. Market cap of $257 billion, dividend yield of 2.56. Now, analyst rating, 65% give it a buy, 32% give it a hold, and 3% give it a sell. Next is Medtronic, ticker symbol MDT. So Medtronic is a medical technology company. Past year, up 7.65%. Past 5 years, up 23%. Market cap of $125 billion. And dividend yield is 2.3. Now, in terms of analyst ratings, 77% give it a buy, 19% give it a hold, and 4% give it a sell. Next is Lowe's, also in the home improvement space, competitor of Home Depot, ticker symbol LOW. Past year, up 5%. Past 5 years, up 54%. Now, market cap is $85 billion, and dividend yield is 1.99. Now, in terms of analyst ratings, 80% give it a buy, and 20% give it a hold. Next is Intuit, ticker symbol INTU. Past year, up 16.45%. Past 5 years, up 179%. Market cap of $74 billion, and dividend yield of 0.76. In terms of analyst ratings, it's 57% give it a buy, 33% give it a hold, and 10% give it a sell. Last but not least is Target, ticker symbol TGT, also in the retail space. Past year, up 72.91%. Past 5 years, up 50%. Market cap of $60 billion. Dividend yield of 2.2. Now in terms of analyst ratings, 60.7% give it a buy, 35.7% give it a hold, and 3.6% give it a sell. So that's all the companies I'm tracking next week that are reporting earnings. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on the earnings season of the earnings reports of these companies? Comment down below. Remember to use more for links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital, free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.